Unlock the secret to a lightning-fast and stunning web design process by mastering the powerful synergy between Figma and Webflow. We'll dive deep into why integrating Figma into your Webflow workflow isn't just a good idea, it's essential for maximizing efficiency and achieving truly exceptional results. Step 1. Design with intention in Figma. This means meticulously crafting your layouts, choosing your color palettes, selecting fonts, and most importantly, building reusable components within Figma. Think of Figma as your master blueprint. Everything should be clearly defined here. From the smallest button to the largest section, this meticulous planning is the foundation of our streamlined workflow. Now, let's see how this translates into Webflow. Instead of starting from scratch, we import our carefully designed assets and structures. Step 2. Seamless integration. Websites like Figmatic or our own custom solutions offer direct integrations, allowing you to import your Figma designs directly into Webflow. This isn't just about dragging and dropping. It's about intelligently transferring your design intent. Webflow recognizes your Figma styles, layouts, and even some interactive elements. This dramatically cuts down on development time because your foundational design is already in place. What would have taken hours of manual building can now be achieved in minutes. Step 3. Enhanced design efficiency. With your Figma design system in place, making revisions becomes a breeze. Simply update the master component in Figma, and if your integration supports it, those changes can propagate to your Webflow project, ensuring design consistency across the board. This means faster iterations, fewer errors, and a design-to-development pipeline that feels more like a continuous, fluid process. Leveraging Figma for your Webflow projects isn't just about prettiness. It's about being smarter and faster. It empowers you to deliver exceptional, pixel-perfect Webflow designs with unprecedented speed, giving you a significant edge in today's competitive digital landscape. Embrace this powerful partnership and watch your projects soar.